Okay, so we're going to learn how to count cards in blackjack. Counting cards would be the best chance of you winning. Learn basic strategy as well. That's really important. But we're going to go over it really quickly. I'm going to pretend like we've got 3 hands of blackjack being dealt to us, right? Now, the cards are laid out on the table so you can easily see them. And we're going to pretend we've got 4 hands. Oh, this is a really weird deck. But anyway, the cards 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6 are given a +1 value. 7, 8, 9 are neutral, and all the high cards, 10s, queens, kings, jacks, aces, are a -1. The whole idea is that the more larger cards that have been played, the worse for the player, because the dealer's going to, just catch a bunch of low cards until they get 19, 20, or 21. So anyway, let's pretend this is the actual deck. Actually, somebody's been playing, 3 hands. You're going to just count cards. Remember, the high cards are given a -1. So this is right here. This is -4. There's 4. That's -8. Now we've got 2 low cards. No, that's now -6. And then we have a high card that's -7. So that's it. You're at -7, and you keep the count. Just remember, the count is -7, which is bad, but since it's the beginning of the deck, it will change. So the deck is -7. Now the ace and 3 cancel each other out because they're one's high, one's low. So it's still -7. But the 10 is a negative, so that becomes a -8. These 2 cancel, it's still a -8. These 2 cancel, it's still a -8. And these 2 cancel, so it's still a -8. And 1 high card, so it's a -9. Now -9 towards the end of the deck would be really bad. But at this point, you just want to bet the table minimum. So we're at a -9. Okay, -9. These 2 cancel, so we're still at a -9, but this is a negative, so we're at -10. Now these 2 cancel, so we're still at -10, and the 2 outer ones cancel, so we're still at -10. Now in this deck here, remember the 7, 8, 9 are neutral, so these 2 are going to cancel out. It's that simple. Just keep a running count. Now the way I really kind of learned how to do this is just flipping cards over and keeping an accurate count. This I did over and over and over again. So remember, 9 is neutral, so that's a 0. This is a +1. We're still at a +1 because it's a 9. The 2 is a +2. Now we're at a +1 because this is a negative. We go back to +2, +1, +2, +3, +4, +3, +4, +3, +4, +5, +6, +7, +8, +8 minus a -1 is +7. It's that simple. Just do that over and over and over again.